It's Christmas in July. Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. And today we're going to talk about gingerbread. Amphibious crochet. About gingerbread, men, women and objects. Let's take a look. A cute little gingerbread fella. I like the big red buttons and his little bow tie. And this is a more traditional one. The photo is not very great, but you get the idea. It's a flat gingerbread pattern applique. You can use that wherever you want. I really like this gingerbread Christmas tree. What a fun idea. It has all sorts of sweet goodies as decorations. It's very, very nice. Look at this cheeky face. So cute. It's a flat design. You can use it as an ornament in your Christmas tree or make a garland or use it however you want. And here are some Christmas tree decorations. We have the daddy gingerbread and the mommy gingerbread and the little baby gingerbread and their beautiful home where they're living. Fun idea. And another gingerbread pair, flat design applique. Use wherever you want. And this little amigurumi fella is absolutely adorable. I like the details of the frosting, I reckon that is, and his beautiful cheeky face. So sweet. This one I like as well. He has sort of Christmas pudding hat, and he's just adorable. And here is it's not a granny square, but it's a square that you can use in a afghan, or you can use on a pillow, or something like that. Make a big Christmas afghan. And a gingerbread house, and this one is filled with sweets. What a great idea. I like it. And notice the crochet piece underneath as well. Not Christmassy, but very nice nonetheless. And here is the gingerbread man we know from Shrek. I like the design. And here is a gingerbread man and a gingerbread woman on a Christmas stocking. So much fun. I love the hearts. It's such a great touch. And this happy fella is ready for Christmas, like the little Christmas hat. Adorable. And this is fun. She's adorable. Oh, look at her little cheeks. It's so much. It's so cute. You can make it as a hand puppet, I reckon. I think it's a towel holder. I think I'm not sure what that means, but I've come across it, a towel holder. If you know what it is, let me know. But I think this is one. But you can also make it as a hand puppet. That's it for the gingerbread people and men and women and homes. And I hope you check back tomorrow for more Christmas in July. And I wish you happy crochet.